Found a full file in your backup storage and need to restore data from it? This is a complete backup archive typically created by database or system backup tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through identifying and restoring these full backup files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value FULL file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. FULL files are complete backup archives created by various backup and database applications. They contain a full copy of the source data at the time of backup, including all files, database tables, system state, or application data. The FULL extension indicates a complete backup rather than an incremental or differential backup. FULL backup files vary in format depending on the creating application, but typically use a container format with backup metadata headers, followed by compressed or raw data blocks. The format may include checksum verification file manifests and encryption, depending on the backup software that created the archive. For FULL, a strong first option is backup utilities. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows can't interpret backup metadata or structure, so specialized restore software must open it. We'll systematically check compatibility. Right-click your FULL file and choose Open With. Start with the most relevant-looking option in the list, especially anything mentioning backup utilities. If it fails, try the next app until one opens it. If your FULL file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, identifying the source application. Examine the full file with a hex editor to identify the file header signature, which reveals the backup software that created it. Common creators include SQL Server Backup Exec and other enterprise backup tools. The first few bytes typically contain a magic number or text identifier specific to the backup application. Next, restoring database backups. If the full file is a SQL Server backup, use SQL Server Management Studio to restore it. Right-click Databases, select Restore Database, and browse to the full file. Verify the backup set contents and configure restoration options before executing the restore to recover the complete database to its backed up state. Finally, using backup software. Open the full file in the backup application that created it. In Veritas, Backup Exec or similar tools use the Restore wizard to browse the backup contents and select files or data to restore. The backup catalog displays all items in the backup, with options for full or selective restoration to original or alternate locations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.